Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Nini. My name is Nini. And again, don't mind any noises or disruptions in the background. And today we are playing Bloodstruck. So we're just gonna hop in right into it. And again, I'm sorry for my English if it's bad. I'm really sorry about that. And earlier I filmed a video but it corrupted for some reason. I don't know why, but it corrupted. So yeah, I am achieving to get the level 22 on my Kala, and of course the level 34. No, the level, no, not that one either. This is what I need. The level 50, if I'm correct. Am I? Yeah, the level 50, which is gonna be hard. But for now, I need the level 22. And for that, I'm gonna be using the weapon XP. I don't have any more striker X bonus XP. And we're just gonna like... Oh, is it starting? Oh, it's starting. That confuses me a little bit, but yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna use Val again, I guess. And we're gonna go out of the map. I wanna go out. I wanna be free. Yes, you can get out of your spawn place here in Bloodstrike. And I am wishing and I am hoping that the Bloodstrike doesn't 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 get rid of it, because this is cool. You can just explore. And I want to go to the Sakura Sakura Valley very much, so that like I want to, my farthest was like over there, like right there. That was my farthest that I achieved. If I have Ethan, I would get there because of his like other skill, like the slide. Oh, I can make it. That's my goal, to go to the Sakura Valley. Oh, almost, Ethan. Almost, just almost. And of course, I wanna buy Ran, and I need to get 8,000 gold for that. Please move, please move, please move. Oh, there's so many. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Where are we going? Oh my god, where the heck am I going? Bro. Oh my god, this is gonna be... I am fine. I am so fine. Now I just need the... No. Ah, gaga. I just need a gun. Gun is what I need right now, and I just need to get over there. Okay, get me over here. Please, no, there's no chest. Please give me a gun. Give me a good gun. I am begging you, give me a good gun. Okay, okay. Okay, well, okay, at least I have a gun. There's a bug on my face. Like, I mean, there's a fly on my face. Oh, huwag niyo ko ihulog. Huwag niyo ko ihulog. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got... Okay. My internet is not doing well. My internet is not doing well. God, no. It's not doing well. Fuck. I don't want to use my data because it's only is like 3 gig left. Yes, it's only like 3 gigabyte left. And that is bad for me. I need to go over there. I think I can. Okay, I got the vector. Okay. Money. No, I need a scar. Thank you.
Weapon here.
That's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want.
Loadout airdrop incoming.
That's what I want right now.
Weapon here.
Eme? Eme talaga tayo, guys. Oh my god, guys. I got it. Okay. Which is, oh my god. Fuck this. In types of looting, I am good at looting, to be honest. I don't know if pa naman yan, kaya pala di ako gumagalaw. Oh. Okay, that was so weird, to be honest. When in types of looting and scouting a place, sure, I will do that because that is one of my faves is scouting, and I cannot
Taking fire.
this is so cool. And you have also like other, you can do it like that also, like other types of that, like other moves of killing moves, which is pretty cool, and I love it. I love it. Right now we have, if you're gonna be asking what striker skin that do we have right now, we have Ran, Hank, I think it's upcoming. We got Zero, which is Zero skin is so cool. Cool. Trust me, Zero skin is so cool. But you know, I'm a free to play player. F2P. F2P for short.
Weapon here.
F2P for short. Yeah. Yeah. Eme. Which is so cool, to be honest. Skin on guns, not just only guns but also strikers. Ha. Working. I know there are other games like that, but yeah, this is, and but other games has big gigs and mali bunga. But other games like had big gigabytes, have a big memory, which is not good for me. Because I only have this phone and only has a little space left because I'm using this phone for also school purposes. My nose is itchy. I can't read my nose right now. I'm so sorry about that, everybody. But yeah. Ooh, I want. Wait.
Weapon here.
Oh, this is good. Huh? Where? My mouse.
Enemy spotted. UAV support called in.
Where?
Satellite scanning progress.
Ay! Bad.
UAV support called in.
The one over there.
Using a band. Enemy spotted.
Oh, din nila yan.
Flag down. The safe zone
Okay, now we gotta move. Nice one. Now we need hunt. Because I don't want to use much of the like... Why I didn't... I'm fine. My next stop is... Oh no! Oh, my nose is gonna be there. I can't hear much, which is a little bit bad for me. Oh shit, there's two. There is two of them? Where are they?
Enemy spotted.
This! Bro! It's a little bit annoying.
Enemy hit.
And now we're here. And kill has been confirmed, which is that is good. And I cannot breathe. Again.
Weapon here. The safe zone is shifting. Barrier up and running.
Need that. Where is it? Where? Where? Oh. And I'm lagging. Fuck. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. I am lagging. This is bad. I'm lagging. Phone, don't do this to me. Data, don't do this to me. Data. Even when like the game is good, but my service is like, nah. Where is he? Where is he? Oh fuck. That is so far away. Hey, the gang see. Where? What? What is so far? Yeah, I'm gonna go there to snipe. I wanna snipe. I wanna snipe. If you know what I mean, I wanna snipe. I love snipes. I wanna snipe, but I'm way too terrified because there's gonna be like someone. The disadvantage of like sniping, like you being a sniper, is like someone is gonna be right behind you without you knowing. But if you have your volume up, you're gonna see someone. Trust me.
The safe zone has been redefined. Enemy spotted.
And I cannot see. Who the fuck is this motherfucker?
Loadout airdrop incoming. Enemy spotted.
Ah, that is bad. Oh, he's picking up. Oh, fuck. That's why it has a custom
Safe zone
RP.
has been redefined.
There's a car. I don't know. Don't. Oh, fuck. Don't do this to me. Where did I die? Where did I die? Oh, that is far. Am I gonna make it? I can make it. Yeah, I can make it. No.
Taking hits.
No, nobody knew. Nobody knew. Nobody knew. Oh, holy
The safe zone
shit.
is shifting.
Oh, holy shit. I am so fucked up.
Spotted.
I am so fucked up. I am so fucked up. Ah! I am so fucked up. I am so fucked up. I am so fucked up. My, oh, I can move. Fuck. I cannot move, I cannot speak, I cannot holy motherfucking holy mud shit. Shit, I just need my gun. I just need my gun. I just need my gun. I just need
Target eliminated.
I am fine. Where's it?
Target
Where's
eliminated.
my kala.
Spotted.
I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. Okay. I got a vector. Huh. I am lagging.
Incendiary grenade.
Revival kit, here.
Where are they?
Satellite scan in progress.
The safe zone has been redefined. Weapon here.
The disadvantage here are the trees right now. Because I cannot see. The fuck are they?
Enemy spotted. The safe zone is shifting. Enemy spotted.
Oh, freaking hell.
Enemy squad wiped out.
Nice one. So we only have one left, which is where is he?
UAV support called in.
Oh. He's just right inside. He's just right inside, buddy.
Taking hit.
Ah! Fuck.
Target eliminated.
AB1. Nice. Nice. V1. And I'm the last one. Ahem. But that's okay. But the important thing is V1. And we're just gonna see an island now, even though it's just tree. Yep. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Fucking hell, I'm so sorry. And second. And then the last. That's the last one. And again, guys, thank you for watching. This is Bloodstrike. See you on the next video, guys. Bye!